We think we're in very good shape. We think we're doing very well. Again, there'll be a transition cost and transition problems, but in the end, it's going to be a beautiful thing. We're doing again what we should have done many years ago.
On Thursday, Trump held a cabinet meeting where he defended a sweeping 145% tariff on Chinese imports, signaling no immediate plans to ease pressure on Beijing. The meeting comes just a day after Trump announced a 90-day pause on reciprocal tariffs for over 75 countries, an exemption that notably does not include China. Tariffs on Chinese imports now stand at 125%, with an additional 20% levy targeting fentanyl-related goods. Trump said his administration is working with several countries to reach out what he called fair trade deals, but added that US will only move forward with agreements it finds favorable. Trump said, and I quote, "We can make deals easily, but we want to make them properly. It has to be a deal we like," end quote. Despite market volatility following the announcement, Trump dismissed concerns. When asked about the day's stock sell-off, he replied he hadn't seen it, having been in meetings. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent downplayed the market dip, citing positive inflation data and a strong bond market. Scott Bessent said, and I quote, "We will end up in a place of great certainty over the next 90 days. Meanwhile, Secretary of State Marco Rubio echoed Trump's stance, accusing previous administrations of allowing China to weaken US industry. Rubio said Trump is reordering the world in a proper way.
Most important things I believe you'll achieve in your presidency is reordering the world in a proper way. For 31 years, more than 31 years now, multiple administrations have allowed the Chinese to deindustrialize this country, to take away jobs and factories and the pillars of our national strength. And what you're doing now, I think, is a great service to our country, but ultimately to the world.
Trump did leave the door open to extending the 90-day tariff pause, but made clear that if new trade deals aren't reached, higher tariffs will return.
We have countries that do very well at building ships, and we'll be dealing with those countries, and we may be ordering top-of-the-line ships from those countries. And within a fairly short period of time, we'll be building our own ships. So we'll probably have to go to Congress for that, but we're not going to have a problem.
As the US and China move further apart on trade, analysts warn that standoff could lead to higher prices, job losses, and long-term global economic disruption.